The key of this project is that it evolves with the communities that we're working with. My baby for the last few months, and I'm glad that I've got my hands on the physical product now. As I said, it's available in hard copy, but also it will be available in PDF on our website in both English and Welsh. So the toolkit is a living document. It's a collection of all the information that we've gathered through the project, the do's and the don'ts. It looks quite a weighty tome, but at every section there is a quick start guide. So if you're using this, you just need to use the first 5 or 6 points to get the key, and then if you can't sleep one night, you can read all the stuff behind it. There's quite a lot on health and safety and different sort of medical issues and things that may be linked to walking, or if you have different special conditions such as asthma, or if you're visually impaired or limited mobility. It's all information there.
It's starting with communities. It's going communities on foot. And I thought, well, it's very refreshing, because if we get people to have a sense of ownership of that, their roots, their footpaths, their green space, it will impinge hugely on their health and their well-being, and to the economy as well. So this project really does chime with all of these things. And I think I'm delighted that it started. I'm delighted it's going to a second phase, and I really look forward for it being transplanted into many local authorities throughout Wales. I think it's a great start. Let's really keep it. Thanks very much.
The moods have changed, but you know, it's people are more positive. It's given them a little bit of more energy to get back into their normal routines. Along the way we've also had some fun and laughs and a lot of talking and a little bit of gossip now and again. Not much, I must say. I don't know what people thought on Halloween as we started travelling through the village with our cobras and our witches' hats going around. Our Halloween walk and ghost stories. Luckily it was light, I think, by the time we got back. A lot of the people we've, I suppose the ladies more than anything, have said they wouldn't have walked on their own, but by walking in company it's encouraged them to go out, because they wouldn't have felt confident in just getting up and going.
It's a really exciting venture. We're thrilled it's moving into the second stage. All I've got to do now is say thank you very, very much for coming. Please help yourself. Remember that you've got a double present today. We've got the Getting Started and you've got the Walk Together Wales document. And dinner will be served soon, so do come. Have anybody got any questions? Anybody want to ask? Because Julie's here.
Has anybody got any money?
Has anybody got any questions they'd like to ask of the people who are here before we come?
Simon White from One Voice Wales. We represent and support the community and town councils across Wales, and it's really good to hear the involvement that you've had from the community councils and town councils in the project. And I suppose it's really, I'd just like to make an offer that we can do whatever we can to spread this message across Wales now, by hosting material on our website because they may access it from there as more readily possibly. But also we could put an item in our newsletter, and I'd like to invite someone to come and speak to our National Executive Committee, because I think this is exactly what it's proven itself, and I think you've got a product that a lot of communities across Wales would very readily buy into it.
Julie spoke in the last meeting of the Neath Port Talbot group of One Voice, and it's been my great pleasure to work with Julie on this committee.